Now, children, we will study about the next important river on page number 47, and you can see the map showing river Amazon. So, Amazon, it is also one of the most important rivers of the world. Where it is located, it is in South America. Let us see that which are the countries through which it flows. It flows through Guyana, Ecuador, Venezuela, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, and Peru. Okay. Now let us see about the characteristics of Amazon River. It is the second longest river of the world and its length is about 4,000 miles. Okay, it is having the largest watershed and it is having the highest number of tributaries in the world. Okay, it is having more than 200 tributaries. What are the tributaries? They are the small rivers which join a big river. Now, the third characteristic is, now children, one thing more, as I told that the Amazon river is having the largest watershed. Now what is the meaning of the word watershed? Watershed is it is an area of land that drains water into a specific water body. Okay, so now I'll be telling you the third characteristic of Amazon river. Now it is responsible, or it brings about 1/5, that is 20% of the fresh water that flows into the oceans of the world. 20% of the fresh water that flows into the oceans is bought by Amazon river. Okay, now let us see what are the sources of the Amazon river. The sources are the streams which arise from the Andes mountains. Now let us see the importance of Amazon river. Hub means a center. Okay, so river Amazon, it is the center of fishing activities. It is having more than 1500 species of fish, and this fish, they are harvested for the trade purposes. Now, river Amazon, it also plays an important trade channel. It is an important trade channel which is made, or which is constructed by the governments of Brazil, Colombia, Peru, and Bolivia. Okay. Now, let us see the third importance. It is also it is having thousands of species of flora and fauna, that is the plants and animals. Okay, so most of them, they are exotic. Okay, now what is the meaning of the word exotic? Exotic means it is having unusual, or we can say interesting species of flora and fauna, and that is the reason it attracts many tourists. Okay, the tourists, they come over here in order to see this rare means which is not easily seen fauna. Okay, fauna means the animal life. Okay, then other than this place is also very important because a large amount of research work is also carried out in the Amazon basin. Other than this, it also has a large amount of mining activity. Means the mining activity, it is taking place in this area on a very big scale. Let us see which are the main minerals. They are gold, bauxite, iron, steel, tin, nickel, manganese, and copper. Okay, these are the minerals which are found in this area. Other than this, lumbering is also a popular activity along the Amazon basin. Lumbering means cutting down of the trees, or cutting of the trees. That is also one of the main activities in the in this area. Now, the land which is along the river Amazon, it is also used for commercial farming. So these are all the importance of river Amazon. Now we shift on to the next river, and that is river Nile. Now children, Nile river, it is located in Africa. Okay, it starts in Burundi, south of the equator, and then it flows to the northeastern Africa, and in the then after that it flows through Egypt, and in the end it mixes up with the Mediterranean Sea. Now let us see the characteristics of Nile. Okay, Nile, it is the longest river of the world, and the length is around 4,258 miles. Okay, now what is the source of river Nile? That is Lake Victoria. Okay, Lake Victoria, it is the source of river Nile. Let us see which are the 11 countries through which Nile river passes or flows. They are Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Kenya, Ethiopia, then Eritrea, South Sudan, Sudan, and Egypt. Okay, now it is having two major or important tributaries. This is the long White Nile and the Blue Nile. Now let us study about the importance of Nile. Now, River Nile is very, very important because it provides water for irrigation, for producing the hydroelectricity. It makes the soil rich, and it supplies a steady water supply to Egypt. Okay, it is the main important, or it is the heart of ancient Egyptian transport, commerce, agriculture, and it also serves as an important, it plays an important part for sustaining life in the barren deserts of Egypt even today. Egypt, that is the reason this river is so important to Egypt, that it is also known as the gift of the Nile. Egypt is known as the gift of Nile.